What's up, beautiful babies? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be whipping up and mixing up one of my most favorite DIYs. This is going to be a natural cuticle oil for cracked nails and rigid nails that's really going to help to strengthen and nourish your nails and to also moisturize your skin. So if you're ready for it, it's only going to take a minute or two to get this done. All it takes is pretty much 1 tablespoon of every oil and about 2 to 3 drops of the essential oils. So let's go ahead and begin the process. We only have a little bit left, so I said, ooh, as much as we do nails, we need to get started making up some more. So I am doing that today. This cobalt blue bottle came from Amazon. I'll have the link below for you, as well as all of the ingredients will also be listed out for you. But if you just want to watch your girl whip it up today, then please come on, take a look. We're going to take 1 tablespoon of the olive oil. Just moving along the process, y'all. Olive oil is super great for your nails, very nourishing. Yes, it is. And also for your skin. So that is the 1 tablespoon of the olive oil. We'll set that aside. Then we're going to use some vitamin E. Oh, by the way, this is the brand that I'm using of the olive oil there, which will be listed below along with my affiliate link, Amazon. We're going to use some vitamin E, and this is just Jason's 5000 IU, and about a tablespoon of it as well. And now we have some avocado oil. Likewise, we're going to use this tablespoon throughout this process, okay? So there you go. Here we go. 1 tablespoon. Very simple to mix up. You can do this yourself. Once you have your ingredients all together, you really don't have to worry about buying this at the store anymore. And now we have some grape seed oil. And we'll just pour in a tablespoon of that as well. And any one of these oils by itself is great for just using for your cuticles and your hands. You don't have to do this and pour in all of this. You can just take one of them if you want to. But I love all of the great benefits that each individual oil has. And y'all, we have tea tree oil. And this is going to be good for being an antifungal and an antibacterial essential oil in here. So we're going to take 2 to 3 drops of it. And there we go. And now we have here our lavender essential oil. This is just going to add not only the benefits of it being an antimicrobial, but also the benefits of it being calming as well for the skin. It is so good. We're going to do 2 to 3 drops of the lavender essential oil. Okay, now I still haven't placed my order, so I need to get to Simply Earth ASAP because I need some lemon essential oil. There is a little bit left in here. What I'm going to do is just remove the top here, and I'll be able to get those droplets out of here. So we're going to take 4 to 5 drops of the lemon essential oil. Let's see if I can get this out of here without making a huge mess. And there we are. And for this one, I am adding in, because I thought I wasn't going to have enough of the lemon, but I do. I'm going to add in a little orange essential oil as well here. So let's just do about 3 to 4 drops of the orange. There we go. And we're finished, y'all. This is it. All you have to do now is just simply shake it up a little bit and you're good to go. Bam. There we are. And I can just go ahead and take care of my nails and cuticles right now. That's all you have to do, and just rub it in like so. Beautiful. And we're finito. Now all you have to do is apply a thin coat of this cuticle oil to your nails and cuticles 1 or 2 times a day. If you're looking at healing your weakened and rigid nails, this will definitely nourish them so much. This is an amazing cuticle oil that is perfect for your cracked, rigid cuticles and even your nails to strengthen them. And you'll also fall in love with the aroma of it. It's really great. So I have everything listed down in the description for you. So check it out. And beautiful babes, you're going to be glad you did, because this is some really good stuff. You're going to love it. And honey, not just your fingernails, but your feet. You can oil down your feet, your cracked heels as well. This is great. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, signing out for now. Hope you enjoyed the video today and hope you got something out of it. If you did, drop a like on here. Please make sure you have subscribed to the channel and hit that post notification bell so you'll be in the know each and every time I upload. And beautiful babes, it don't stop there. Don't be keeping your girl a secret. Please make sure you tell all of your family, friends. Sweet Angel is on YouTube talking about beauty and so much more right here. So make sure you do one more thing. Yeah, share me with your world. And I will see you on the next video. Bye.